They don't sleep. They don't eat. They don't take breaks. And they've already replaced thousands of human workers. Welcome to Amazon's new reality, where robots run the warehouses. In 2025, Amazon's robot army is exploding in numbers and intelligence. And the question is no longer if humans will be replaced. It's how soon. Section 1, Inside the Robot Army. Let's step inside an Amazon fulfillment center. You won't see humans running around with packages anymore. You'll see robots with names like Pegasus, Xanthus, and Cardinal navigating, scanning, and lifting packages within human precision. These aren't sci-fi props. They're real, deployed, and running 24/7 without error. Pegasus alone can sort over 600 packages an hour, far faster than any human ever could. The floors are lined with Kiva robots, lifting entire shelves and racing to stations. Every move is guided by AI, calculating the most efficient path in milliseconds. No lunch breaks. No mistakes. No complaints. Section 2, Why Amazon is going all in. Why is Amazon replacing humans? Simple, speed. Savings. Scale. Every robot replaces at least 3 to 4 human workers. There are no salaries, no benefits, no strikes. Robots don't get tired, they optimize. In peak seasons like Prime Day, AI systems predict order spikes and automatically scale operations, deploying more bots instantly, without hiring a single person. And it's not just physical work. Amazon now uses AI to manage logistics, customer queries, fraud detection, and even hiring. Section 3, The Human Cost for Customers. It means faster deliveries. For Amazon, billions in profit. But for workers, it means layoffs. A leaked report from early 2025 revealed that over 11,000 warehouse roles were eliminated in just 6 months, replaced entirely by automation. Former employee Angela D says, the machines took over. First packing. Then sorting. Then everything. She's not alone. Across the US and Europe, workers are being told, your role no longer exists. Section 4, AI is in control now. Today, AI doesn't just support Amazon. It runs it. AI systems decide which robot goes where. They predict which areas will lag. And pre-correct the issue. In some centers, less than 10 humans supervise entire operations run by hundreds of machines. The result? Faster, cheaper, and eerily quiet warehouses, without footsteps, chatter, or human error. This is total automation in action. Conclusion, final message: this isn't the future. It's Amazon in 2025. The world's largest online retailer is building a workforce of machines. And with every upgrade, every layoff, every AI decision, the message becomes clearer: humans are no longer required. So the question now is, if Amazon can replace every warehouse worker, who's next?